Welcome to our guide on the best air fryers. Air fryers have revolutionized home cooking by providing healthier, faster, and more efficient ways to prepare your favorite dishes. With so many options on the market, choosing the right air fryer can be a daunting task. We've evaluated the latest models based on cooking performance, features, capacity, and ease of use. Whether you're a busy professional, a health-conscious individual, or someone who loves crispy, delicious food, these top contenders are primed to meet your needs. As always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now, let's explore the best air fryers of the year. Number 5. Instant Vortex Plus. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Instant Vortex Plus 6 QT Clear Cook Air Fryer. This model is designed to offer versatility and ease of use, featuring 6 cooking functions including air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for preparing meals for families or small gatherings. One of the standout features of the Instant Vortex Plus is its clear cook window, allowing you to monitor your food without opening the basket, ensuring even cooking and preventing heat loss. The digital touchscreen provides easy access to customizable cooking programs, making it simple to select the perfect settings for your meal. The air fryer heats up quickly and cooks food evenly with little to no preheating required, thanks to its advanced even crisp technology that delivers a perfect golden finish and crispy texture every time. The temperature range of up to 400 Fahrenheit allows for a wide variety of cooking options. Cleaning is a breeze with the dishwasher's safe basket and tray, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. The sleek black design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. For those looking for a versatile and user-friendly air fryer, the Instant Vortex Plus 6 QT Clear Cook Air Fryer is a fantastic choice. Number 4. COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1. Next on our list at number 4 is the COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1, a compact yet powerful kitchen appliance designed to meet diverse cooking needs. This model features a 6-quart capacity, making it suitable for families and individuals who enjoy cooking various dishes with minimal oil. The COSORI Air Fryer offers 9 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, reheat, broil, dehydrate, and more. Its 5 fast fan speeds and a temperature range of up to 450 Fahrenheit ensure that food is cooked quickly and evenly, providing a crispy texture with 95% less oil than traditional frying methods. One of the standout features of this air fryer is the integration with the VSync app, which provides access to over 100 in-app recipes and allows you to control and monitor your cooking remotely. The app also offers personalized cooking recommendations and step-by-step guidance, making meal preparation easier and more convenient. The COSORI Air Fryer is designed with a sleek, modern look in gray and features a user-friendly digital touchscreen for easy operation. The basket and tray are dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple and efficient. With its combination of advanced cooking functions, smart app integration, and ease of use, the COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 is an excellent addition to any kitchen, providing a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods. Number 3. Ninja AF 101. Securing the 3rd spot on our list is the Ninja AF 101 Air Fryer, a versatile and compact appliance perfect for quick and easy meals. This model features a 4-quart capacity, making it ideal for small families or individuals who want to cook healthy meals with less oil. The Ninja AF 101 offers 4 cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. The high gloss finish in gray adds a sleek, modern look to any kitchen. The air fryer heats up quickly and can reach temperatures of up to 400 Fahrenheit, allowing for a wide range of cooking options. One of the standout features of the Ninja AF 101 is its dehydrate function, which allows you to make homemade snacks like dried fruits and jerky. The air fryer's wide temperature range and multi-layer rack make it easy to dehydrate food evenly and efficiently. The ceramic-coated basket and crisper plate are non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The compact design ensures that the air fryer takes up minimal counter space while still providing ample capacity for cooking meals. With its user-friendly controls, versatile cooking functions, and easy maintenance, the Ninja AF 101 Air Fryer is a great choice for those looking for a reliable and efficient air fryer that fits seamlessly into their kitchen. Number 2. Dome. Taking the 2nd spot on our list is the Dome Air Fryer, a large capacity air fryer designed for quick and efficient cooking. This model features superior airflow technology that ensures even cooking and crispy results every time. With a capacity to hold up to 32 chicken wings, it's perfect for family meals and entertaining guests. The Dome Air Fryer is equipped with a self-cleaning feature, making maintenance easy and convenient. The smart digital controls allow you to set precise cooking times and temperatures, ensuring perfect results with minimal effort. The dishwasher-safe basket adds to the convenience, allowing for easy cleanup after meals. One of the standout features of the Dome Air Fryer is its rapid cooking speed, which is up to 50% faster than traditional cooking methods. This makes it an ideal choice for busy households looking to prepare healthy meals quickly. The air fryer's large capacity and superior airflow technology ensure that food is cooked evenly, providing a perfect golden finish. The sleek design and modern aesthetics of the Dome Air Fryer make it a stylish addition to any kitchen. With its combination of speed, capacity, and ease of use, the Dome Air Fryer is a top contender for those seeking a high-performance air fryer that can handle large meals and deliver consistently delicious results. Number 1. Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360. Claiming the top spot as the best air fryer is the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven Combo. This model is a game changer in the world of air fryers, offering a host of innovative features that set it apart from the competition. The Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 boasts a 25-quart capacity, making it one of the largest air fryers on the market, perfect for cooking extra-large family meals or entertaining guests. One of the standout features of this model is its dual zone cooking capability, which allows you to cook 2 different foods in 2 separate zones at the same time, using different cooking methods and temperatures. This feature is particularly useful for preparing complete meals quickly and efficiently. The air fryer oven combo comes with French doors, providing easy access and a clear view of your food while it cooks. The advanced 360-degree cooking technology ensures even heat distribution, cooking food up to 60% faster from frozen to finish. The powerful 8200 PA suction and auto dry feature keep your food crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The Emeril Lagasse also includes a self-cleaning function, reducing the time and effort needed for maintenance. The digital controls are user-friendly, allowing you to customize cooking times and temperatures for perfect results every time. The stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. What truly sets the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 apart is its combination of large capacity, dual zone cooking, and advanced features. This makes it the ultimate choice for those seeking a versatile and high-performance air fryer that can handle large meals and deliver consistently excellent results. In wrapping up our journey through the best air fryers, it's clear that each model brings its own strengths to the table, catering to the diverse needs and preferences of today's users. Whether it's the versatile cooking functions of the Instant Vortex Plus, the smart app integration of the COSORI Air Fryer, the compact and efficient design of the Ninja AF 101, the large capacity and rapid cooking of the Dome Air Fryer, or the innovative dual zone cooking and advanced features of the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360. This lineup showcases the pinnacle of air fryer technology. Remember, you can find links to all these products in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.